I'm always asking these chickens nicely to use the toilet that we installed in their chicken coop, but they never do it. They never do it. Just kidding. They're just chickens and they're not smart. So every once in a while we just come out here with our little scoop, which let me show you that. We just come out here and scoop up the ground just so we're not stepping on landmines. And more importantly, in here, there's so much. But this time, now I have a big scoop. So let's do a real quick job here. It's a whole lot easier on my back. Like right here, I'm doing this ash here and the ash is falling through and the poop is staying. That's good. Where else? A little bit there. Oh yeah. You guys wanted me to step on this stuff. Good. Okay. It's not rocket science. I would say this is medium duty. That's a funny word to be using at a time like this. What I mean by that is it's not lightweight. It's not like the strongest metal you're ever gonna face, but it's definitely strong. So it's strong enough for sure. So I'd say medium. All right, so I've got a little bit of leaves in here too, but you can see there's quite a bit of poop in there as well. So I'm gonna scoop that up. I'm gonna toss it over the fence. This is a whole lot easier on my back. Okay, now for the inside. Wonder if I can get some of this. Oh yeah, that's coming up easier. Used to would use a little scoop, and this is I'm getting way quicker. I mean, there's 2 scoops right there. Not to gross you out, but like, it's doing the job. So you get this out of there. And I'm fertilizing that field over there. Oh yeah, tons of it. All in all, just the length helps with my back. Again, it's picking up everything real nice. The grip feels nice. It's lightweight, but it's definitely got some weight to it. It's not like I would say it's medium duty as far as strength. But I mean, it's got some weight, but it's not too heavy, and it's not so light or thinly made that it's going to be breaking or anything. I think it's going to be a pretty solid tool. So happy with this. Do a little bit more, and again, there's still a time for the little guy. Get this tight corner here, but this is better. I don't need that. Okay. All right, so I think probably best case is chickens like this, just picking up along the ground just so you're not stepping in it all the time. Also goats. Goats would be great for picking up after them. But yeah, pretty much anything. I like this. We have been using that small one, and I asked my wife if she wanted something bigger, and she immediately said yes, which kind of surprised me, because usually when we have a tool that works, it's like she's not looking to buy another one. So she said yes, and then this company reached out to me and offered me a free tool if I would review it. So this is my review, and I would tell you if I didn't like it, and we like it. So hope that helps you. Very affordable, and again, I'm pretty pleased with it. I'll do the unboxing video for you here in a second. It was pretty easy to put together as well. It did come with instructions, but didn't take very much brain power to figure it out. So anyway, that is our new chicken pooper scooper. I like it.